In this video, you will learn how to create and edit pages on your Shopify store. First, how to create a page in Shopify. Log in to your Shopify admin panel. Go to shopify.com and log into your store. Then, go to Pages. From your Shopify admin dashboard, click on the online store in the left-hand menu. Then click on Pages. Select Add Page. You'll see a button in the top right corner that says Add Page. Make sure to click on it. Add Content. Make sure you add a page title. Content. Write about the content you show on your page. You can format it using the toolbar. Bold, links, images, etc. Optional. Set visibility. Decide if you want the page to be visible or hidden. You can also set a publish date where your page will go live. SEO settings. Scroll down to the search engine listing preview to customize how your page will appear in different search engines such as Google or Bing. Save. Click the save button in the top or bottom right hand corner to save the page. Now, edit an existing page. Go to your online store and then click on Pages. Click on the title that you want to edit. Make any changes in the title, content or SEO settings. Then click Save when you're done. Now you've edited an existing page on Shopify. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.